Question 10. A circle C has equation x squared plus y squared plus 6kx minus 2ky plus 7 equal to 0. And then k is a constant. So part A, find in terms of k, the coordinates of the center of the circle and then the radius of the circle. Okay, so if we want to find the center and the radius, we need to write this in terms of x minus a squared plus y minus b squared equal to r squared form. So basically, we need to complete the square. Yeah. So let's write down the circle equation first. X squared plus y squared plus 6kx and then minus 2ky plus 7 equal to 0. So if we want to complete the square, I'm going to write all the x term next to each other and all the y term next to each other. So now I'm going to do the completing the square. So that would be x plus, so half of 6k, that would be 3k square, and then minus the square of 3k, which is 9k square. And then y minus, so half of 2k, just k square, and minus k square, plus 7 equal to 0. So then x plus 3k squared plus y minus k squared. So that's equal to, so 9k squared plus k squared is 10k squared, and then minus 7. So therefore, the center of the circle should be negative 3k and then k. And then the radius of the circle has to be square root of 10k squared minus 7. And then the line with equation y equal to 2x minus 1 intersects C at two distinct points. Part B, find the range of possible values of k. Okay, so for this one, you just basically solve the simultaneous equation, but you can't solve it because we don't know the value of k. And then since they gave us the information intersect at two distinct points, so we need to use the discriminant b squared minus 4ac more than 0 to find the range of possible values for k. So I'm just going to solve the simultaneous equation. So x squared plus y squared plus 6kx minus 2ky plus 7 equal to 0. And then y is equal to 2x minus 1. So I'm not going to use the completing the square form because I don't think that will make it any simpler. So I'm just going to substitute into the original one. So that will give us x squared plus y squared. And then y is 2x minus 1. And then plus 6kx minus 2ky. And then y is equal to 2x minus 1 plus 7 equal to 0. So expand it out. X squared plus 4x squared minus 4x plus 1 plus 6kx minus 4kx plus 2k plus 7 equal to 0. So I'm just going to double check everything. So x squared, so 4x squared minus 4k plus 1, 6kx minus 4kx plus 2k plus 7 equal to 0. Okay, that's all fine. And then simplify that. That would be 5x squared and then minus 4x. And then this is also, those two are also the x term. So that would be plus 2kx. And then for the number terms, plus 1 plus 7, that would be plus 8. And then plus 2k equal to 0. So that would be the final simplified equation. Because 2x squared term, make it 5x squared. And then for the x terms, it's just 2kx and then minus 4x. And then the constant term, 1, 7 is 8, and then 2k is the same. So now I'm going to make it just 5x squared and then factorize our x. That would be 2k minus 4 lots of x. And then 8 is just 8, and also 2k equal to 0. So now it's time to apply the discriminant. So b squared minus 4ac more than 0. So b is just 2k minus 4. So 2k minus 4 squared minus 4 times by a, which is 5, times by c, which is 8 plus 2k more than 0. So if we expand it out, that would be 4k squared minus, so 2 times 2k is 4k times 4 is 16k, and then plus 16. and then minus 4 times 20, 20 times 8 is 160, and then negative 20 times negative 2 is negative 40k, more than 0. So then simplify that, 4k squared minus 56k, and then minus 144 is more than 0. So now we can just use the calculator. So, but we can just use the quadratic formula. So 4, negative 56, and negative 144. So the roots are 7 plus root 85, and then 7 minus root 85. And the thing is a positive quadratic, and then is more than 0. So it has to be like the one on the side, more than 0. So therefore the answer has to be k is less than 7 minus root 85, or k is more than 7 plus root 85. So that would be the final answer.
Thank you for watching the video. If you have any questions, you can leave some comment. And then if you find the video helpful, please like it and subscribe it. May the A star be with you.